Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavor of Shops Foundries Collective of RSP help improve equipment availability in blast furnace. Long Service Awards presented at RCM Department of SAIL RSP. And induction program for trade apprentice commences. Coming to the news in details, in a function organized at Foundry Shop of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 5th March, Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, Mr. Ravi Chandran, GM Foundries, and Mr. S.R. Mohapatra, GM RSM, handed over a slag pot with bottom disc developed in-house by the Foundry Shop to blast furnace, the user department. Present on the occasion were other senior officers of shops, repair shop mechanical and blast furnace. This enterprising endeavor of the Shops Collective has helped in bringing about a substantial savings for the company. The procurement cost of slag pot bottom disc otherwise would have been Rs 85 lakhs. The quick availability of slag pot with bottom disc assembly will provide more flexibility to blast furnace towards slag management and hence will increase production. It may be noted that the slag pots are used in blast furnace for transferring and dumping of slag generated during iron making processes. The bottom part of the slag pots get damaged gradually due to severe thrust load during dumping of solidifying material. As a result, the pots become unserviceable after some years. As the process of procurement of slag pots was not only costly but also a time-consuming process, the Shops Collective decided to develop it in-house. The Shops Founders Collective took up the challenge and decided to make the slag pot of 15 meter cube in a single piece along with bottom disc. Accordingly, the slag pot was cast in the foundries department as per the sizes of the pots. Its weight is around 22 tons. Similarly, two bottom discs were also developed by casting in foundry shop. The complete assembly was fabricated, machined, stress-relieved in foundry and assembled in 3 months. Two bottom disc would have cost the company Rs 55 lakhs and Rs 30 lakhs respectively if purchased from market. It is worth mentioning that the jobs involved a lot of machine work using in-house resources without any outside help, and successful completion of the same has enhanced the confidence level of employees to take up more such projects. In a program organized at the Repair and Construction Maintenance Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant recently, Mr. J.D. Shetty, GM RCM, presented the long service certificates to 20 employees for rendering 25 years of service to the company. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behera, Deputy Manager Personnel. It may be mentioned that around 900 employees, including executives who have completed 25 years service as on 31st December 2020, will be receiving long service awards like previous years. The company recognizes their contribution by presenting a certificate of recognition and a stainless steel dinner set as a token gift of appreciation. An induction workshop for the second batch of trade apprentice in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant commenced at Safety Training Hall of the project building on 6th March. In all, 97 apprentices comprising graduate apprentice, diploma holders and ITI students are there in March 2021 batch. The programs are being conducted in strict adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines. During the induction program, the trainees are being given an overview of SAIL and RSP, safety aspects, gas safety, fire safety and electrical safety, health tips, as well as brief inputs on the entire integrated steel making process starting from raw materials to finished products. Audio visuals will also be shown to supplement the sessions. The program was coordinated by Mr. S.K. Shukla, Assistant Manager HRDC. The first batch of 130 trainees were inducted on 1st March. In the year 2021, in all 690 students are scheduled to be trained in RSP in 7 different batches. It may be mentioned that under the Honorable Prime Minister's Skill Development Program for the Youth of the country, HRDC of RSP has undertaken to provide training to students in line with the guidelines laid down by Indian Iron and Steel Sector Skill Council under the Skill India mission. Apprenticeship training is being imparted to the trainees for 1 year after completion of their graduation, diploma and ITI qualification. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.